Bonjour and hello to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my uncle's all-time favorite stir fry to make, and that is breakfast sausage stir fry. This stir fry is so easy, it's pretty straightforward, and also so scrumptious and finger-licking good, especially with fresh steamed rice. This was a stir fry that he often made for us growing up as kids, and he still makes it till this day. I still love it till this day as well, and I wanted to share with you the recipe so that hopefully you can make it at home as well. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's just go straight into it and I'll show you how to make it. The first thing I like to do is to mix all the sauces into a bowl so I can have it ready on the side. Into a bowl, I'm going to add in some oyster sauce. I have some dark sweet soy sauce here as well. Some Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, fish sauce, and sriracha. You can add as much sriracha as you like depending on the spice level you like. Give this a really good mix, and then I'm just going to set this aside while I prep my other ingredients. I have here some breakfast sausage links. You can definitely use whichever brand you prefer or is available at your local grocery store. Growing up, we would actually get the ones from Costco, but now Costco discontinue their breakfast sausage links. So now I have to opt out for a different brand at my local grocery store. So to prep these, I like to put it on a cutting board and just cut this into bite-sized chunks like this. I have here a really good nonstick pan. I'm going to add in the breakfast sausages straight in. And then we're going to be cooking this on high heat for about 8 minutes or so, stirring it every once in a while until it is cooked all the way through and has some really nice coloring to it. I didn't add any oil to the pan because as the breakfast sausages cooks, it does release quite a bit of oil. Once it's fully cooked and has some really good coloring to it, I'm going to add in some sliced onion. I sliced up one yellow onion. I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes just until it's tender. You could definitely add more onions into this stir fry. The onions are actually one of my favorite parts of this stir fry in general. It adds this really nice subtle sweetness and it blends really well with the saltiness of the breakfast sausage. So at this point, the onions are cooked to my liking. At this point, I'm going to add in all the sauce. Give this a stir and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes or so just to caramelize the sauces. And then I'm going to add in some sliced up green onions and cilantro. Stir this for about 15 seconds just to wilt the herbs and then turn off the heat. And that's pretty much it for the stir fry. If you want this to be a little bit spicier, you can definitely add some chopped chili peppers in here as well. But growing up, my uncle kept this stir fry pretty simple, so we're going to keep it pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and plate this and then enjoy this while it's still hot with some fresh steamed rice. Growing up, we often ate this stir-fry dish in the morning before heading out to school, and it was probably one of the best mornings to wake up to when either my mom or my uncle made this stir-fry for us. If you feel like it, you can also add a fried egg on top as well. That is it for today's video. I really hope you can give this one a go. If you want the full written recipe, I do have the link down below in the description box so that you can give it a try. Other than that, I am going to enjoy this plate of delicious breakfast sausage stir fry because it's that good. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. That is so good.